everyone, today unboxing the Liberty Walk Mini GT Liberty Walk R35 in satin silver. This is a 2019 model and this is one of the first mini GTs that I've got in my collection and quite excited. These are true to scale miniature, that is why I'm quite excited. Let's see what kind of quality they offer. Are they as good as the Tomica ones? Do they offer suspension like the Tomica ones do? Let's check it out. Let's open it up and let's see how good they are. Opening it up, it's got a plastic thing just like the Tomica ones I've got. Let me pull it out a little tight. Yes, so wow, really cool, really nice. Love this paint effect, satin silver. Love the color of the alloys, love the detail, overall detail of the car. It's got the mirrors also. Overall detail is really nice. These cars, great detail at the back. The decals are very clearly done. Lot of cool details. Look at the amount of detailing, almost as good as TLV, but costs almost 40% less than that. The tires do roll, but they don't roll as freely as the TLVs. There's some rubbing at the back. So overall, quite a lot of good detail in this one. 2009 Nissan GT-R R35 under license, made in China, mini GT. So very nice, screwed lower of the casting. It has been screwed, metal back. The silencers are there, the exhaust pieces. Very nice, excellent. Love the look of this car. One of the iconic GTRs. Beautiful casting. Does not have the suspension like the mini GTs, like the TLVs. So that is one area which these cars don't have. The wheels do roll, but aren't as smooth. Lots more videos coming up. Like this video. Thank you very much. Bye.